Hey everyone, welcome back to UroczaDe Delaware, your favorite channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and effective whitening drink that can help with skin whitening. This drink is known for its amazing benefits for the skin. And this drink is a great way to incorporate it into your routine. So, let's get started. Ingredients: a few strands of saffron, 1 cup of warm milk or water. Recipe: to make our saffron drink, start by soaking a few strands of saffron in a small bowl of warm milk for about 10 minutes. This will allow the saffron to release its color and beneficial properties. When to drink: on an empty stomach early in the morning, drink this saffron water drink. Let's talk about why saffron is so beneficial for the skin. Drinking saffron-infused beverages in the morning can offer several advantages for skin whitening and overall skin health. Here are 10 shocking key benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Saffron is packed with antioxidants, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress and free radicals, leading to a brighter and more even skin tone. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Saffron can reduce skin irritation, redness, and inflammation, promoting a healthier complexion. 3. Skin brightening. Regular consumption of saffron can help in reducing pigmentation and dark spots, leading to a naturally brighter and more radiant skin tone. 4. Improve skin texture. Saffron helps in improving the texture of the skin by promoting cell regeneration and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 5. Hydration. Consuming saffron drinks with ingredients like milk and honey provides hydration to the skin from within, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy glow. 6. Detoxification. Saffron has detoxifying properties that help in cleansing the body from toxins, which can lead to clearer and healthier skin. 7. Boosts collagen production. Saffron can help in boosting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. 8. Hormonal balance. Saffron has been known to balance hormones, which can have a positive effect on skin health, especially for those suffering from hormonal acne. 9. Improves digestion. A healthy digestive system is often reflected in clear skin. Saffron aids in digestion and helps in maintaining a healthy gut, which in turn can improve skin health. 10. Mood enhancement. Saffron has mood-enhancing properties due to its ability to increase serotonin levels. A positive mood and reduced stress levels can lead to better skin health, as stress is a common cause of skin issues. To maximize the benefits, consider these tips. Consistency. Drink saffron-infused beverages regularly to see long-term benefits. Quality. Use high-quality saffron for the best results. Balanced diet. Complement the saffron drink with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other skin-friendly nutrients. Hydration. Ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. Wow, it's so good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.